Grocery store prices, gas station signs ticking down, and happy shoppers at checkout. After 2 years of stubborn price hikes and sky-high interest rates, Americans are finally getting some relief. The latest inflation data shows prices are cooling faster than expected, and Wall Street is buzzing about what might come next. June CPI report released, headlines from Bloomberg, CNBC, WSJ. According to the June Consumer Price Index, inflation rose just 2.6% year over year, the lowest reading since ERD 2021. Graph of CPI over time peaking in 2022 and trending down in 2025. Core inflation, which includes volatile food and energy, also fell to 2.8%, marking the fourth straight month of declines. Prices fell or stabilized in key categories. Used car down 5%, airfare dropped 9%, grocery price largely flat. Rent prices are showing for the first time in months. People shopping reacting to prices, checking receipts. Shoppers speaking in to the reporter. Things still are not cheap, but at least it's not getting worse every month. That's a big relief. That the latest inflation data shows prices are cooling faster than expected, and the Wall Street is buzzing about what might come next. So what does this mean for the Federal Reserve? Jerome Powell is speaking at a press conference. For nearly 2 years, the Fed has kept interest rates at their highest level in over 2 decades, battling inflation with aggressive hikes that had made mortgage, credit cards, and business loans for expensive. But with inflation now approaching the Fed's 2% target, the central bank may be finally be ready to shift gears. Economists from CNBC or Bloomberg. All signs point to a rate cut for this fall, potentially in September or more likely November if the data holds. Markets are now pricing in a 70% chance of a rate cut at the Fed's November meeting, with some hoping it could come ever sooner. Stock market footage, ticker goes green, traders celebrate. Investor reaction was shift. The Dow and S&P 500 hit record highs after the CPI report, with tech and housing stocks leading the charge. Lower rates could mean cheaper mortgage, better loan terms, easier borrowing for small business, and a potential boost in consumer spending as the holiday season nears. But economists warn that the Fed will tread carefully with the 2025 election just 4 months away. Powell and the central bank are under intense political security. Powell speaking that we are not focused on politics, we are focused on the data, and the data is improving. Still, with economic momentum slowing, job growth flattering, and consumer confidence rising causally, pressure is growing to ease the burden on working families and businesses. The big question now is not if the Fed will cut rate, is not when. Fed building, family shopping, mortgage ad, ticking cut downs clock. As inflation cools and rate cut hopes rise, the economic outlook for 2025 is looking a little bigger. As inflation cools and rate cut hopes rise, the economic outlook is for 2025 is looking a little brighter. But don't expect a return to 0% interest rates anytime soon. With the Fed cut rates in September, or wait until after the election? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like and subscribe for the latest economic updates.